Welcome everyone to the Aquarium channel. Hope all are great and safe. Today we have a unique video, that is, I am going to set up a Sandfall system in our aquarium. So this is a unique setup where everyone can do it. Now I am going to review all the sizes and the types of Sandfall system and going to show you the working of it. So watch the video till the end and stay subscribed in our channel. We have around 5 types of Sandfalls. Now, starting from the first size, this is the smallest size which has 8 inch in height and 6 inch in length. I'll open it. Here we have the smallest Sandfall system. And this is the sand for it. And here we have the next size, and this is 12 inch tall and around 6 to 7 inch of length. And we have the bigger one. This is 15 inch in tall and 7 to 8 inch in length. And here we have 3 steps where it is used to flow the sand falls exactly like waterfall. So now I am going to pick any one in this. I think this would be better. The 12 inch height. Now I am going to set up this into an aquarium. So guys, you can see I have placed the Sandfall system. There is a 1 inch gap between the surface of the water and the fountain, and there is a connector at the top. So now I am going to connect the pump. You can use some Sunsun or RS, some powerful pump or the normal pump. Here I have washed sand. Now I am going to pour this sand into the Sandfall. Initially pour some sand to the Sandfall and then try to spread it widely. Make sure that the sand doesn't cover the whole of the Sandfall. Now I am going to connect the air pump at the top of the Sandfall. After connecting the air pump, you can see a bubble flowing from the top and the circulation of the Sandfalls starts. So you can see small amount of sand are flowing from the Sandfalls. So I am going to add some more sand. As I add sand, you can see the flow is faster. And this is the setup which everyone can do it easily at home. With this, we have built a planted aquarium. To the back of the Sandfall, we have attached the thermocol, black thermocol designs to match the Sandfall. So, it is a mini planted aquarium with 20 inch length and 10 inch in width. It is a unique setup where everyone can do it. You can see the Sandfall is flowing from top. And here we have some plants, some low-tech and epiphytic plants, and this is the setup. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. You can build a tank like this. This is the most beautiful and unique aquarium setup. So thank you for watching. Always stay tuned in our channel. Let's meet up soon in the next video. Thank you.